Welcome to the future of education. In a world increasingly driven by technology, we are proud to introduce the next big leap in learning. AI-powered STEAM textbooks from Nanoskool in collaboration with Lux Robo, South Korea. Why do we need hybrid AI STEAM textbooks? Traditional textbooks, while valuable, often limit the scope of real-world applications and engagement. They don't always connect learners to the dynamic world of technology, artificial intelligence, or innovation. But the world is changing, and so must education. Enter Nanoskool's AI STEAM textbooks, hybrid resources that merge physical and digital learning. These textbooks bring robotics, coding, AI, and physical computing right into the hands of every child. What's the difference? While current textbooks are static and limited in scope, AI STEAM textbooks are interactive, engaging, and ever-evolving. Imagine a math problem that not only shows its solution but also stimulates how it applies to real-world engineering. Picture a history lesson where students can explore ancient civilizations under augmented reality. STEAM textbooks don't just reach, they immerse students in learning, allowing them to experiment and create. But to bring this transformation to life, we need more than just technology. We need empowered educators. At Nanoskool, we are committed to building STEAM teachers through comprehensive capacity building training programs. From learning the latest coding languages to mastering robotics and AI, our teachers are the true enablers of this future. They are equipped to inspire the next generation of innovators and thinkers. Our AI STEAM textbooks align perfectly with India's educational vision. The National Curriculum Framework (NCF 2023) and the National Education Policy (NEP 2020) emphasize the integration of technology, problem-solving, and critical thinking from every stages of education. Nanoskool's curriculum is designed to reflect these values, encouraging hands-on, project-based learning and interdisciplinary approaches that foster curiosity and creativity. Nanoskool is not just building textbooks. We are building the future through extensive curriculum research, pedagogical training, and a cross-curriculum STEAM approach. We are investing in Viksit Bharat 2047, India's vision for a developed nation. With physical computing, AI, and robotics at the core of our textbooks, we are preparing the next generation of Indian students to be global leaders in innovation, creativity, and technology. The future of learning is here. Join us as we transform classrooms across India with Nanoskool and Lux Robo's AI-powered STEAM textbooks. Let's build the innovators of tomorrow today.